Alright, here's a Cobra 29 LTD Classic that we got for sale. Did the LED light upgrade on the meter. It's got a white LED in there. And works with the bright dim switch too. And we also did a MOSFET upgrade to it. And set the modulation. The limiter is still in this. I don't cut limiters like some of them other CB shops out there that don't know what they're doing. So I'll show you what it's doing for power here. Here's going to be your average power over here. Get a little light on it. About a 6-watt dead key. You can see it right down here also, that bottom number. About a 6-watt dead key. And the swing. Audio. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Right up around almost 15 average power. Now here's going to be your peak power reading. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2. Audio. There you go. It's a nice clean signal. And doing about 40 watts peak power. This one screaming radio. Also included is the mounting bracket. Still in the plastic. There's a few minor scratches on the radio. You can't even really see them. Up here, maybe just a little one from when it was in a truck. Up in a little cubby space there. But other than that, this radio is pretty much in just about like new condition. Alright. There you have it, guys. Happy bidding.